Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix Spotify audio not working. First, check your device volume and make sure that it is not muted. Then, try playing audio from another app to confirm that the issue is only with Spotify. Then, check your audio output settings and ensure that it is the correct speaker and headphones are selected. If you are using Bluetooth, disconnect and reconnect your device, then restart Spotify and your phone. Also, make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Go to App Store, search for Spotify, and make sure that it is updated to the latest version that is available. That's how you fix Spotify no sound issue. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.